Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 first things to do with Oppo A72. So let me show you the first feature. It is the sidebar. If you just swipe it in here, it's a bit invisible, but it's on this side. If you swipe it in, you have a nice bar. You can take screenshot, screen recording and so on, but you can also add here some apps like maybe WhatsApp and so on. And these apps will be then directly part of the sidebar, and you have a quick access to these kind of apps and actions. Yeah, the next feature is also pretty cool. So let me show you what I mean. So just go here to the settings, then scroll down to the point, convenience tools, and we will need here the gestures and motions. So tap the gesture and motions, and I want to have the first point here, screen off gestures. So enable it, and now we have the opportunity to enable some stuff here like drawing an O to open the camera and so on. So let me show you what it is. So if the screen is now off and I draw an O, I'm immediately at the camera. So pretty cool, and that saves a lot of time. So I would really recommend you to enable this feature. And you can also add some other stuffs here, like other screen off gestures, like drawing an M or something like this, if you want to open apps or doing a call to someone and so on. So pretty cool. So you can use the M maybe for maps. So if I now wrote an M on the screen, I'm immediately in Google Maps. So a very nice feature. You should customize it for yourself then. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is to clone apps. Maybe you can have 2 Facebook accounts on that phone, or if you want also 2 WhatsApp accounts, because you have a dual SIM phone here, of course you can insert 2 SIM cards then. And why not using then 2 WhatsApp accounts in case? Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down, or like go here to the settings, it works also. Then go to the point app cloner. Here it is. And here you have a list which apps are supported of this app cloner. You cannot clone all the apps, but most of them works. So like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. And yeah, if we now turn it on, we have cloned WhatsApp. So you can rename here also the cloned app if you want to give them a different name, but the symbol will stay the same. And yeah, let's enable all of them. So Facebook and Messenger then as well. So let's, okay, the Messenger I don't know why, but let me show you now the cloned apps. So this is our first WhatsApp account, and this is our second one. You can also always recognize it with a little with a different symbol here at the corner of the second app. I don't know if you can see that. And the same with Facebook. So this is the main Facebook account, and this is the second one. Yeah. If you don't want to have them anymore, so you can just hold this app here to remove it, and then you will see this bar here, and just go and uninstall, and the app is removed from your desktop. So or also you can go on the same point here, the settings, the app cloner, and you can also disable them from here. Go and delete, and then also the second app is removed. The data from the first account will be always, so you can keep them always on your phone. Okay, the next feature I want to show you is the private save. It's a hidden private space just for pictures, videos, or documents, and so on, which no one should see. Okay, then let me show you what I mean. So let's go to the settings, or just scroll down here if you want to go to the settings like this. Tap here on the symbol. Then we have to go to the point privacy, and we have to scroll down a bit and have here the private save. Okay, now we have to set up a password for the private save. Let me take a simple one here. He's warning me now because it's too simple. And yeah, this is now our password. And in the case you will forget this password, you have here now the chance to set up a question with the right answer. You can recover your password. Yeah, but I can remember that password, I think. And yeah, just go on done then here. And now your private space has been enabled. If you're using it for the very first time, you will see some instructions, what it is and so on. And yeah, but this is the private space now. And let me show you how you can go there, because the private space is here at the photos, but it's hidden. Yeah? So if you want to enter now your private pictures, just go on this bar here, like Photos Album and Explore, hold it, and now you're in the private space. So just enter now the password of the private space, and you are here at the photos of your private space. Yeah? If you want to add here some pictures, just go here on the plus symbol, and you can add some of your pictures here to the private space, and they're just here at the private save and no more at the regular pictures. And there's another way to go to the private save by using the files. Let me check where it is. If you're using the File Explorer, here is it, the File Manager. You can use also the File Manager to enter the private space. Also by using here the first line, recent and categories. If you hold this line a bit longer, you can access now also the private save after entering your password. So you can set up, so you can put some videos here, some photos, some audios, some other documents, or completely other stuff. So a nice feature if you don't want that some other people sees that. So the next feature I want to show you is about the display size. So you can enlarge it a bit or make it a bit smaller if you want that's more on the screen and so on. So let me show you what I mean. So just go here on the settings, then go to the point display and brightness. And here we will have the display size. So this is the regular size. It's just an example here, the messages. I can make it smaller that I have more messages maybe on the screen, or I can also enlarge it if my eyes are not so good anymore. So this is, for example, the settings. Yeah, let's go back to the default to show you the other things again. Yeah, a nice opportunity to make it a bit bigger or smaller. Yeah, the next feature is for our eyes. So because if we are looking too much on our smartphone, our eyes becomes fastly tired and so on. It's because of the blue light, and there's a blue light filter included. So let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and now Oppo named it Eye Comfort. If I enable now this feature, you have the chance for the very first time to schedule the time or put it always on. If you put it always on, then you have it also on the day, and I would really recommend to you that you'd use it also on the day, because you will feel better after. And also, especially at night, you will sleep also better. You will realize it. So as you can see, the screen is now turning into another color. For the first times, it's unusual, but after 2 or 3 days, it's absolutely fine, and your eyes will love it much more. Yeah, but as I said, we can also schedule it. If you say, okay, I just want to have it at night, then just scroll down a second time, and you can go now on the written word, Eye Comfort, hold your finger a bit, and then you can schedule it here as well. You can make the color a bit more warm again, as more as it is, as better it is, and you can also schedule the time when it has to turn on. So you can give it starting time and an end time. So I really recommend to you to use it at least at night, and if you can do that also on the day, because it's very nice as well. And if you're reading a lot, I would recommend you this feature here, the black and white, because this is better if you're reading ebooks and so on. yeah, the next feature I want to show you right now supports that feature here a bit. If we go back here, scroll down a second time, we have here the dark mode. And the dark mode turns most of the white stuff into black, and especially at night, it's much more comfortable to look at our smartphones, because if the light is too bright, especially with white colors, then it's not good really for the eyes and so on. But black really supports that, and you can customize this feature as well. I would really chat through it. So just scroll down a second time, and now if you hold the written word dark mode here, you will get, or you will belong to the settings, and you can schedule here a time that you can set it up maybe just for the evening. And at this part, I would really recommend to you just use it on the evening. Yeah. And also something we should schedule is also for the evening or the time when you sleep, because you can schedule an automatic off time and an automatic on time. That saves a lot of energy and helps our environment. So let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, then go here to the settings. So then we have to look for the point. I think it was at the additional settings. We have, here is the automatic on off. Tap it, and now you can set up an automatic on time and an automatic off time. At least I would recommend you the automatic off time, because everybody's sleeping, and you can set it up like this, because if you have a daily rhythm, you can set up a time where the phone should turn off automatically, and if you want, also in the morning when it should turn on automatically. That saves a lot of energy, because if you're sleeping for 6, 7, 8 hours or longer, we don't need our smartphone, to be honest. Yeah, let's help our planet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you some nice features for your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.